Okay, scholars, happy Friday. This is our last week in this 1G lesson. And so far you've learned these 4 columns of words. And then today we are going to practice this list of words. So what I want you to do first is read these 4 lists in your head. All right, let's practice this list here. And then we will be learning all of these words, okay, so that we can figure out which ones of these you know and which ones we still need to practice. So let's start right here. Want, was, we, went, what, where, who, why, will, with, yes, you. All right, now you try. Want, was, we, went, what, where, who, why, will, with, yes, you. Awesome job. All right, so the book that we're going to be reading is called What Are Houses Like in Africa? And these are our power words that will be in this book. Do, know, we, in, is, be. 1, all, are, big, can, the. Live, like, look, lots, hear, this. There, where, of, on, and I. All right, so let's head over to our art bookshelf. And we are going to find our book. What are houses like in Africa? So again, Miss Esther's going to read, and then I'll give you the opportunity to go back through the book and read on your own. What are houses like in Africa? There are houses here. Do all the houses look like this? No, there can be one house. There can be lots of houses. There are houses in the desert. There are houses on the river. There are houses like this. We live here. Look in. Here is where we sit. This is where we cook. There are houses like this. We live here. Look in. Here is where we sleep. Look in. Here is where we cook. There are big houses. We live in this house. Look in. Here is where we sit. Look in. Here is where we eat. Tents can be houses. I live here. Look in. Here is where we sleep. Look in. Here is where I eat. There are houses here. We live here. Look in. This is where we sleep. Look in. This is where we cook. Awesome job, scholars. So we're going to head back to the beginning of our story and let you read the book by yourself. Remember, the title is called What Are Houses Like in Africa? Awesome job, scholars. So let's look at our power words real quick. All, are, be, big, can, do, here, I, in, is, like, live, look, lots, know, of, on, one, the, there, this, we, were. Awesome job, scholars. All right, head on down to the Nearpod and complete your assignment.